Does your air conditioner make you uncomfortable?
It's always too hot or too cold.
It's too warm when the sun is shining.
It's too cold when there's a thunderstorm. It's freezing when I wake up.
Air conditioners only allow you to set a temperature, but many other factors affect your comfort. Humidity, weather, sunlight, and even your daily metabolic cycle. AmbiClimate solves these problems by revolutionizing the usage paradigm of air conditioners. Just tell us if you're hot, cold, or comfortable, and our award-winning AI solution will automatically adjust your air conditioner to improve your comfort and help you save energy.
There is beauty in simplicity. Nature always seeks simplicity. So why do we make things so complicated? If you ever feel the urge to simplify things, start with this. Your thermostat. It's responsible for 79% of your home's energy consumption. What if heating was simple? What if saving energy was simple? Meet the Tado Smart Thermostat. It's compatible with your heating system and lets you control various rooms in your home individually from anywhere. But Tado is much more than a remote control. It has a variety of skills that simplify your life. It saves energy and makes your home more comfortable. It ensures your home's temperature is just right. Right when you need it. Thanks to geofencing, it notifies you to turn down your heating when no one is at home. It notices open windows and lets you turn off the heat effortlessly. It integrates weather information to save you even more and helps you to keep a healthy climate at home with insights and specific advice. It lets you control your heating with your voice. It shows you temperature and humidity profiles, the heating activity and your savings. However, its most important skill is to keep it simple. The Tado Smart Thermostat. The simplest way to save energy.
Designing and engineering the Dyson Pure Cool Link purifier was more than just creating an effective purifier. Dyson engineers questioned, scrutinized, and crafted every part of the machine, designing it to have a small footprint to fit anywhere in the home. The remote control is curved and magnetized, so it can dock on top of the loop for easy access. The integrated auto mode takes over cleaning the air for you, monitoring the air quality and reacting accordingly when the air becomes polluted. And for the light sleepers, we've programmed a nighttime auto mode. This enables only the quietest settings, as well as dimming the display. And during warmer days, the machine can cool you. Changing filters is easy with Dyson. Observe the air quality inside your home and outside. The Dyson Link app contains purification activity, filter life, and remote control, including scheduling. The Dyson Pure Cool Link Purifier.
This particular fan initially was a very simple brushed nickel finish and had a different light kit on it, but it also screamed industrial, so we had to add the rustic finishes and the halophane glass to make it more complete.
These exposed elements and the combination of the halophane glass that is reminiscent of commercial lighting is what really makes this fan feel industrial in those small details, and then the addition of the finishes that was placed on it just puts it over the top.
One of the interesting things about this design is it moves quite a bit of air, and part of that is because of the way that this blade twists. So because there's a steeper angle closer to the housing, it moves more air and then creates less resistance on the outside where there's a shallower angle. So it's kind of a cool form meets function moment for this design.
We wanted to make sure that we were doing it in a way that that the design of the fan deserved the technology inside it.
Smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in. The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again. So, there you have it. You can have a smarter home without spending your child's college education money on new appliances.